Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Facebook Reels on your Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap the Reels tab or tap Create Reel if the option appears. Next, record a new video by holding the record button or tap the gallery icon to upload an existing video from your device. You can trim your clips, add music, text, filters, effects, stickers, or voiceovers using the editing tools provided by Facebook. Once you're happy with your reel, tap Next to preview it. Add a caption, choose your audience, and adjust any privacy settings if needed. When everything is ready, tap Share Reel to publish it to Facebook. After your reel is posted, your friends or followers can watch, like, comment, and share it depending on your privacy settings. And that's it, you've successfully created a Facebook Reel on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.